Hey guys, Desi Ann,
Celine.
and welcome back to Sister's Life. And today we're going to be doing a toy unboxing of that two toy unboxing, a challenge, which would be we're going to put these blindfolded, and then the other person is going to eat one of these chocolates that are in this box, and then we're going to have to try and guess which one that is because they have them on the back. We're also going to be doing a haul of the things that we got yesterday. They were more tennis shoes and clothes, so yeah. Now let's get on to the video. So we got this Planet Putty. What planet is it, Celine? It's Venus, right?
Yeah.
There's 8 other ones, but we only got Venus. We just cut it open. It is so... Oh, still riveted open. This is kind of hard to open.
Yeah.
But it has the cutest packaging ever.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. Do you see that bubble?
Yeah.
That's so pretty. It's more like one of those like slushy putties where it like breaks apart when you touch it, but it's so nice. Oh my gosh, look at that shimmer. That's like gold.
Yeah. Like, I think it's just like yellow and gold.
Yeah. But I'm pretty sure probably after once it is actually mixed together, it'll probably go to like an orange or a yellow, but literally look at that. It's so pretty. Literally, this is like the prettiest thing ever. Like, literally. Oh my gosh.
Listen to that.
So pretty.
And it smells so good.
It smells like bananas.
Yeah.
I like the smell of bananas.
Yeah. I didn't know that was
Probably the prettiest putty or slime we've ever had.
Yeah.
It's Venus. We found it at Target in the $1 section, but it was actually $3. So, oops.
That's
But
good.
it's still super nice. Yay! It's literally like fart putty.
Do you hear that?
This is so much fun to play with. Oh my gosh. Yeah, super happy about it.
Yeah.
So this is our second one that we're going to be opening. It is a Princess coloring stick. It's supposed to have stickers, crayons, and a coloring sheet. So we're just going to cut it open.
And I like princesses, so that's why I picked this one.
Yeah, there's also a Star Wars and Finding Dory. Oh my gosh, it's all like in a little tiny little roll. That's cute. Here are the stickers. Oh my gosh, these are really pretty stickers. Here is the coloring sheet. Whoa, it's very big. Lots of stuff. I'm pretty sure you take the stickers and you put it onto those little silhouettes. So you can actually like see them. So I'm pretty sure you color that. And here are the colors. They're like very, very neon. They're so pretty. So yeah, they're like so pretty. Look at that. Those are the prettiest colors ever. So these are actually like a pretty nice deal. I like these. So we're just gonna color with these, have fun, and yeah. So these are the amazing things that we got. This one, you actually put the stickers onto the little, they're like little,
Black, like,
little silhouettes. The crayons are the beautifulest colors, little stickers, and then here's the Planet Putty. That's actually kind of spilling out, but this is so nice. Now we're gonna move on to our challenge. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to our challenge. Okay, so this is a chocolate box. It's Elmer chocolate. It's not like glue chocolate. The flavors are caramel, strawberry cream, orange cream, cocoa truffle, and chocolate caramel. So these are the flavors. They sound so good. So let's go on and get to the video. So we're just gonna cut it open.
Yeah.
Oh, smells good.
It does?
It does. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh.
Let me smell it.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Look how clean these are.
They're like perfect. Okay, so we have our box of chocolates. I'm gonna get blindfolded first. So I'm just gonna take off my normal headband because that would make it feel weird. Ready? Set? Go. Okay, so she's gonna pick a chocolate. I haven't tried like any of these, so I don't know how any of them taste. Okay. I'm so scared. Okay, I'm scared. Huh. That's orange cream. Ew.
Mm-hmm.
Ew, I don't like orange stuff.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. So I'm gonna give her this one. No. This one. It is.
Put it in my hand.
It is this one over here.
Put it in my hand.
Okay, ready? Set. Eat. Oh, so good.
Is that the caramel one?
Yeah. Point for you. Number 2.
Here's the one that I'm gonna give her.
Oh, I'm scared. Strawberry cream.
You're great.
That was like a neon pink too.
Let me see. Oh my!
That's so good.
It is?
Oh my gosh.
Can I try a little?
No.
Oh, right. Wait, what color? I forgot what color the like outside of one of these were. Like the one that you gave me. Oh, that one.
Where's strawberry?
Huh?
I'm giving her this one. Truffle.
Cocoa truffle.
Yeah. That one looks so good.
It is.
Okay, you get another point.
I'm gonna give her this one. This one I think is very good.
I'm scared.
You cannot.
I don't know if it's normal caramel or chocolate caramel. Caramel.
Wait, don't look.
Oops. No, it was chocolate caramel.
You don't get a point.
It's good though. You can't feel it. Ready,
That's
set, go.
It's the orange one.
Mm-hmm. Caramel.
Yep.
Okay. Pretty sure.
That is the strawberry one.
Uh-huh.
That's the special one.
Cocoa truffle.
Yep. Right. Cocoa truffle.
It's this one.
Caramel. Is it caramel?
Open. Nope. It's chocolate caramel. I know, wasn't it hard to decide if it was the caramel or the chocolate caramel? Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like,
Subscribe.
and hit that bell while you're at it, and
Comment down below.
This was so much fun. This Planet Putty, it actually kind of like turned orange because of the glitter or the metallic putty, but it is so satisfying.
Yeah, and it can kind of stretch. Like, I don't know if I'm going to play with that all day. Even it could, like, shimmer in the camera.
Yeah. That's so pretty. We also love this little egg that we got all this stuff in. It's so nice. Yesterday we actually got those clothes and shoes. And so we got this egg and the Planet Putty in the $1 section. The Planet Putty was actually $2. No, $3. This was like a dollar. We got this chocolate box. I'm not sure where. We'd have to ask our mom, but we got it a couple days after Valentine's Day. Our shoes and shorts and more shoes were from Converse and Nike back at the outlet mall here in Missouri. But make sure to like,
Subscribe.
and hit that bell while you're at it, and comment down below. See you next time. We love you. Bye.
Hi, guys.
Those are winning the chocolate. It's tilted.
Thank you, guys. You so much to watch. Make sure to like and subscribe.
I don't even.
Hey,
Thank you guys. So, come on, get back in your seat. Sit over.